Today we're unboxing Disney Doorables Ultimate Mega Pink. This is the special edition Pixel Perfect series. There's 50 to collect. This pack is only available at Target and it includes 30 figures. Recommended for ages 5 and up. Made by Just Play. On the back of the box, we can see some of the figures you can get. Here it shows us the exclusive figures we get. And then down here it shows us some of the special edition figures. So let's start getting these Disney Doorables out of the package. Here are the Disney Doorables we got out of this pack. So let's take a closer look at them. Out of our exclusives, we have Chuckles the Clown, Cinderella, her left eye seems like it's a little wonky. This one's lower and this one's higher. And we have the King from Cinderella. We have Snow White wearing like a winter shawl. Then we have Lilo. And also from Lilo and Stitch, we have Myrtle Edmonds. Then we have Blazy. We got Victor. Then we have Tong. We got Rafiki here, and he looks like he's meditating. His eyes are painted closed. Then we have Mufasa here. This is like when he's the constellation in the sky. So he's kind of purple and translucent. Here we have Fidget from The Great Mouse Detective. There you can see his painted on peg leg. Here we have Olivia. And of course we have Basil. He holds a magnifying glass and a piece of paper. Here we have Laverne. Now let's take a look at the surprise ones we got. Out of the 8-bits section on our collector's guide here, we have Tigger, who is a special edition. And we also have Wreck-It Ralph, also from the 8-bit category. So these two are both special edition. Out of the Onward category, we have Eeyore Lightfoot. He has like a smooth finish. I think he's pretty cool. He's holding his little staff there. He is a common. Out of the Toy Story section, we have Andy here. He's holding a little toy, and he's got a cowboy hat on. He's a common. And then we have Stretch here, which is a rare Doorable. It's translucent. Out of the Alice in Wonderland section, we have the Dormouse, which is pretty cute. He's in his little teacup. It's yellow. And there's the top. He's a common. And then we have Alice here. This one is like when she ate the cookies and grew inside the house. This is a rare Adorable. From Raya in the Last Dragon category, we have Noi, which is a rare Adorable, and Chief Benja, which is a common Adorable. From the Hunchback of Notre Dame section, we have Phoebus Fabo, who is a common, and then we have Quasimodo, who is also a common. From the Encanto section, we have Maribel here when she's younger, in her gift ceremony outfit. She is a common Adorable. And then we have Augustin Madrigal, which is Maribel's father. They are both common. From the princess section, we have Tiana, who is also in a winter look. She is a common Adorable. And then we have Aurora here, who once again is in a winter look. She's holding a snowball. And she is an ultra rare Adorable. So these are all the Adorables we got out of this really awesome pack. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And stop by the community tab and let me know which Disney Adorable here is your favorite.